Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you're all fine and doing your preparation for upcoming exams. Good luck for your exams. Today is lecture number 21 and 22 together. Class 7, this is your subject English lecture, and today we will discuss a moral story, and after that I will give you some translation sentences and you will translate into English. So the story, moral story is something is better than nothing. कुछ ना होने से होना बेहतर है. कुछ ना होने से होना बेहतर है. Something is better than nothing. So student, there is a story related to the moral about a man and his donkey. That is very interesting and mostly a student familiar with it. Let's start, have a look on it. Once a poor man lived in a certain village. He had a donkey. He used to bring salt from town to his village. There was a stream on the way. One day the donkey slipped and fell down into the water. Its master helped it to stand up. It took him enough time to stand up. Meanwhile, a lot of salt was dissolved. When the donkey fell into the river accidentally, then what happened? That a salt was dissolved यानी कि आधा हो गया, बाकी सारा बह गया. The donkey was delighted, बहुत खुश हुआ, to find the load lighter than before, कि अब जो वजन है पहले से कम हो गया. The next day when the donkey was crossing the same stream, it fell down intentionally. First accidentally, then intentionally. जानबूझ के गिरा वो पानी में. The master was clever and he understood the trick and decided to teach it a lesson. तो फिर मास्टर को पता चल गया और उसने क्या कहा कि चलो ठीक है, मैं इसको एक सबक सिखाऊंगा. The next time he loaded it with 2 small bales of cotton. When the donkey did the same and got up, it found the load much heavier. It could not walk under heavy weight. It was sorry for that it had. It repented over it fully and never set it in the stream again. कि फिर उसको नसीहत होगी कि भाई हर चीज़ हर दफ़ा जो वेट है वो लाइटर नहीं होगा, हैवी भी हो जाएगा. जैसे इस दफ़ा हुआ क्योंकि बेल्स ऑफ कॉटन थी उसके ऊपर, तो जब वो पानी में जानबूझ के इंटेंशनली बैठा तो क्या हुआ कि वो जो कॉटन थी वो हैवी हो गई और उसके बाद फिर उससे मुश्किल हो गया उठना और चलना. So that is the story related to something is better than nothing. After that students, there is a translation for you. Write this translation on your notebooks and you will translate into English. These first is रहा होगा, अब्दुल्ला सो रहा होगा, future continuous, will be, shall be plus ing form. अब्बू दुकान पर काम कर रहे थे, पास कॉन्टिन्यूस, वाज वर प्लस ing फॉर्म. क्या अब्दुर्रहमान कुरान पाक की तिलावत कर रहा है? क्या अब्दुर्रहमान कुरान पाक की तिलावत कर रहा है? नहीं आना, ठीक है. क्या अब्दुर्रहमान कुरान पाक की तिलावत कर रहा है? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस इज आर एम प्लस ing फॉर्म. क्या आयशा कॉलेज नहीं जा रही थी? पास कॉन्टिन्यूस ing फॉर्म. अम्मी अब्दुल्ला और अब्दुर्रहमान को नसीहत कर रही हैं. गिविंग पीस ऑफ एडवाइस, नसीहत करने कर रही हैं. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस इज आर एम प्लस ing फॉर्म. नसीहत कर रही हैं कि इंग्लिश है गिविंग पीस ऑफ एडवाइस. सो दिस इज़ योर ट्रांसलेशन. So diary is learn plus write moral story. Moral story is something is better than nothing and do translation, and this is your translation. Allah Hafiz.